Hello, my people. Every Igbo person will realize that right now, the whole of Igboland is challenged. The younger people are questioning themselves. What does it really mean to be Igbo? Our communities are challenged. People are saying all kinds of things. Discussions are going on, insecurity, all manner of things. There are people who think that the way to go is for us to create our own republic, Biafra. Let us leave Nigeria and just go to Biafra and fight anybody who is on our way. There are others who think, no, this is not a good idea. We need to go into Nigeria and make sure that we get political authority, become president, and guide the country better. There are those who think that this is an entire waste of time. We are not even going to succeed with the politics or even becoming Biafra because we don't like ourselves. The Igbo people specialize in dragging each other down. That's their opinion. That's what they say. And there are those that think that, no. Let us focus on our gifts. Bring value. Stop struggling for all these societal things and just bring value to wherever we live. And bring our competence and our expertise and win spaces. Whichever one that is going on. What is important and what is real is that it is now urgent for Igbo people to look at what's happening to them. How do we answer this challenge? How do we respond to the demand for transformation? Our society is seeking transformation. How do we achieve that? It is to contribute to this conversation that we have created Ndigbo Viva. Ndigbo Viva is a platform for conversation. It's a platform where we share ideas, where we'll have conversation, discussions, knowledge, experiences, events, analyze things, and put them together in a way that individuals can learn from it, families can learn from it, communities can learn from it. Everybody in leadership, in business, in your day-to-day life, you have something to take from the experience to make your Igbo-ness stronger for you. My name is Akachukwu. I'm the host of Ndigbo Viva. Here they Oputaifeadi. And Ndigbo Viva will operate on 3 platforms. First, know your roots. Second, build solidarity. Third, invest at home. It is our conviction in Ndigbo Viva that if Igbo people know their roots, build solidarity, and invest at home, they will be able to overcome all the challenges that are confronting them today. So, let us get on with it. Welcome to Ndigbo Viva.